IDRON Project aims to tackle rural water scarcity in the Mediterranean region.
With IDRON, we collaborate to exchange, adapt, and transfer successful water policies. We work together on water initiatives that shape our future for a better quality of life.
IDRON Project here is expected to significantly contribute towards the adaptation and mitigation of the climate change challenges in the country and wider in the region.
The project develops innovative irrigation systems, smart monitoring technologies, and sustainable agricultural practices for efficient water use.
Facing water scarcity is not only a Mediterranean problem, but an emerging challenge in the Balkans. As Conference of Peripheral Maritime Regions, we bring in our members' expertise from across Europe, and we encourage dialogue between the partners, as well as transferability and scalability of the results.
IDRON, we develop smart data-driven solutions that combine innovation, sustainability, and cooperation. Our aim is to ensure the rural community can manage their water resources more efficiently by using alternative water sources, such as treated water for irrigation purposes.
IDRON contributes to environmental sustainability, food security, and the EU's climate resilience goals.
Our main goal is to find practical solutions that we can later include in our policies and the rural programs. We want to encourage cooperation between local authorities, farmers, and experts. "12 partners from 10 countries for a smarter and more resilient Mediterranean."